What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Similarweb platform or website and its different features. Similarweb is a great website that you can use to view the trending topics or most visited website in a certain region or certain category, and even analyze websites. We will get to that in this video later. In order to implement this information, see how the most popular websites are performing, and strategies like used for these websites or by these websites in order to implement them in your website to increase your business. So let's get right to it, and you will see how powerful this tool is. Now, once you go to their website, that's similarweb.com, it automatically detects your location. It detects that mine is Egypt, and it'll give you right off the bat here, as you can see on the homepage, the top trending website with the number of visits right here. You can go ahead and analyze your website. However, we will do that later in this video. If you scroll down, you can see the different features of the platform and things like that. And what we are interested in are the free tools. However, there are paid tools with the paid subscription, but the free tools are really great on their own, and they are like paid in other platforms. Let's see the pricing very quickly if you decide to invest in a paid plan. So click on pricing right here. As you can see, you have the starter plan, professional, team, and enterprise. The starter is $125 a month. The professional is $333, and the team and enterprise are custom based on the features that you want. You can scroll down to compare the features of each subscription. However, as I told you, we are going to review now the free tools offered by the website. Now, if you go to products, let's go to free tools. You have top websites to view the top websites or the top ranked websites for any certain country and category, the trending websites, and you have the analyze a website option, or you can verify your own website through here. Now let's go to top websites here to see what I'm talking about. Now you have all categories and worldwide. Of course, if you are not selecting a category and viewing worldwide, the top visited website is Google, followed by YouTube, followed by Facebook, and you can see here this list of the top popular website. You can see the average visit duration for the website. That's how long the visitors are staying on this website. The pages per visit, so that means how many pages the visitor opens in this website before they close this page or close their browser. And the bounce rate, this is the percentage of visitors that only view one page and then close the website. So of course, the less bounce rate, the better, because they are viewing more pages of your website. Now, as you can see here, we can choose a category. So let's choose music, and let's choose a country, for example, in Brazil, and let's go. You can see here the top ranking websites, and you can see also the trending websites. So trended up within the top 100 in the last month or so. So you have here these websites and their monthly change. So they gone up by 63, and the trending down, so the sites that are trending down, so this one, for example, got down by 63. So that's the monthly change. Let's go back to the ranking here. And if you scroll down, you can see that in order to see the full list, you have to subscribe to a paid plan. However, in this free plan, they give you the top 5 in the category and country that you search for. Now let's view really quickly, go back to the free tools. The trending websites is the same idea. Go to trending websites. That's the second tab right here next to ranking. You also choose the category and worldwide. However, in all categories, the Walmart is the top trending, followed by AliExpress, Canva, and so on. Now let's see the free tools. Let's see the analyze a website, because that's a pretty cool feature that will give you powerful insights and analytics on the website that you enter right here. So let's enter Canva which is a great designing website that you can use to design pretty much anything from posters to logo and stuff like that. Here, choose canva.com, and you can also search for Android and iOS apps. Here, as you can see, it gives you many information such as the company itself, year founded, number of employees, headquarters, annual revenue, and so on. The global ranking, the country rank in the United States. Of course, you can choose the country. So click here on the United States, you can see all the top rank here. Now let's go back to analyze Canva. Now it's the category rank. It's the number one in like computers, graphics and multimedia in United States also. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see the total visits, the bounce rate. Of course, that's, as I told you, that's the percentage of people who only view one page, the pages per visit, and the average visit duration. Okay, the category rank, that's the number one in category. Country rank in United States. As you can see here, this graph represents the visits, or like the rank in September, October, and November. The global rank, okay, so like globally. And similar, you can view here similar ranked websites, and you can see all the top websites. If you scroll down here, you can see the engagement and traffic, so the total visits and like the monthly change, the bounce rate, the page per visit, and stuff like that. Now, the total visits in the last 3 months, and compare them to other popular websites. Now, the web traffic by country, as you can see, the country with most visitors is the United States, followed by Brazil, Mexico, Philippines, India. And you can see here all the countries if you want to. So click on all countries. As you can see, you do have to create an account for that. Now let's go back. Let's continue scrolling. You can also see the traffic by like gender distribution and age distribution. So that's pretty cool. You can see here the like gender, the percentage of males versus females who are going to this website, as well as like age. So you can use this information like age, gender, and things like that to generate ad campaigns if you are having or promoting a website that is similar like to Canva. So that's one of the uses of this tool. You can use this tool to analyze the website to get ideas to further customize your ad campaigns for your website if you are building a similar website. So the target audience, as you can see here, top categories like and top topics, other visited websites. And as you can see here, the competitors and similar websites. And here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see here the top keywords that are getting organic traffic to canva.com. So like Canva, Canvas, AI image generator, and also the number of keywords here and the total keywords. You can see them, and you can view the organic versus paid traffic. You can share this info as well. And here you can see the referral web traffic to canva.com. So for education, programming, computer, photography, and so on. And the top referrals right here, as well as like the social network distribution for Canva. So that is like, this info is really valuable, and you can use them as I told you to customize your like ad campaigns. Another cool feature is to compare this site to another website. So let's compare it to, it gives you some recommendations here. Let's compare it to clipchamp.com, which is like a multimedia and video editor created by Microsoft. As you can see here, it compares the pretty much the same info, however, in a form of comparison. So like the global rank between these two websites, like the country and category and global ranking between these two sites right here. As you can see, the Canva is number 1, Clipchamp is number 29 in like the category, in country, and in global ranking, as well as the traffic and engagement, and so much more. Now here, as I told you, this info is pretty valuable, and the fact that it is here for free on this website is pretty cool. Now, of course, you can, if you like this website and you want to get more info and more statistics, you can always subscribe to a paid plan to get the full experience. So that is pretty much it. That was a quick overview of the free tools, of some, of course, of the free tools offered by Similarweb.com.